Look at this. That's 47 points we're up. We're up 47 points. 47 points we are up on one candle. Look. If you saw the speed of this bullish candle, it was crazy. So quick I couldn't even react. But we're in now, took the trade, and we can see that it's obviously under some mad bullish action which it didn't want anyone to keep up with. So we've just jumped in the trade and we're going to take it as far as it can take it. We really should have come in at the end of this candle here. This would have been the ideal entry point around this area. But before we can react, it just shot up so many points. Like that, just shot up. So we got in where we could. The stops it was after initially were these people here who banked on it going down. They're out of the game straight away. Now we're expecting it to go for these guys up here. Those guys that have put their stop up there, their stop losses, they look like they're going to be next. With the ferocity of this candle, I'm hoping it's a light one today. A very light one. I hope that we have benefited from this and we saw it and we've acted accordingly. This represents the daily high. If we can get to the daily high with this candle, then that's it. We should jump out. Probably going to go further, but it's good for us. Look at the speed of this thing. This is incredible. I haven't even been able to draw in any mental stops or anything, but this line here represents our stop. I'm just going to let it hit the take profit. But the way it's going, I think I should just move it. It's going crazy. Let's move it. Let's move it. Let's see if we can benefit from it. It's taking the stops on the left. It's taking these guys out. See these guys? They're gone. They're gone. They are gone. And it's just going crazy. I don't know if it's going to switch back on us or whatnot, but it's going crazy. That means it might be going for that large stop, which was right at the top of this chart. There was a large stop. Look, it's going to take us again. We're moving it. Let's move it. Let's move that TP. It's going crazy. 72% spent on a candle. It's going mad. It's going mad. Look at this. That's 47 points we're up. We're up 47 points. 47 points we are up. Just like that. On one candle. Look. 47 points. Wow. You know what? I think that's enough for me. That's enough. Because it's probably going to run out of steam. We're out. That was incredible. That was a mad flurry. Mad. I'm so glad we were in that trade. I'm so glad we're in that trade because that was a really good trade. 47 points in like 3 minutes. That is mad. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I don't know what it's going to do now. I don't know, but it's taking the stops it wanted. It took them ferociously. Without mercy. So looking at the 1 hour chart, you can see what happened, what damage that created just now. This area, these boys were fine. They speculated for sells. They were fine. These guys as well, they were fine too. Until this flurry. Until this flurry here. Once this happened here, which you saw it happen in a blink of an eye. It didn't even take long. It took these soldiers out and took these soldiers out. The way it was moving with no mercy, I was expecting maybe, I don't know whether, but it might want to go for this big one up here. That big battalion up there. There's big. There's a massive prizes up there. It might be going for that. I don't know. But it's already got a lot of fuel, liquidity, stop orders, stop losses, buy orders, whatever you want to call it. Here and here. Just like that in a blink of an eye. But we saw it and we benefited from it and we jumped out. We didn't want to be greedy. 47 points in, what was that? 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes max. 47 points in 5 minutes. Come on. It doesn't happen every day. I didn't know why it was doing it and I didn't care. I just joined. We got a signal. We joined it and then we just took out what we needed when we took it out, because we don't know how long that lasted. It was just going crazy. You saw how we were moving our take profit. We kept moving it because it just had too much fuel in it. So we just kept benefiting. It's kind of subsided at the moment, but that was incredible. Looked on Bloomberg, looked on Forex Factory, looked in the news on general, looked everywhere. No news whatsoever regarding oil, anything that will fluctuate the markets as such. Nothing, just nothing. It's just a textbook liquidity grab. That's it. That's all they've done. They just rushed the money. Before anyone could react and move their stops, they took them. It's quite simple. There's nothing else to it. They do tell you, do not put in money you are prepared to lose, because they know they want to take it from you. They know they're going to take it from you. So you've got to be on your guard in this game. It's a very trickish game. Very, very trickish. No news. Maybe something will come out tomorrow saying, oh, this happened because of this or this happened because of that. But it's just waffle, innit, really? Because the bottom line is those guys are sad now. They've lost their money. They've lost their money. This is absolutely incredible. The way they're just taking people out of the game, it's just mad. Look at what's happened today. Just look at what's happened. I want you to follow me here and understand what is going on. These people in this game, right? All these dollar signs are where people have put their stop losses because they've entered a trade. They either want to buy it or they want to sell, right? They've entered it, and if they're grey, that means they're no longer in the game, and if they're green, they're still in the game. Right, these guys here, let's just start here. They believed the price was going to sell. They put their stop loss up here. They entered the market around here. The market switched on them and took their stops with this candle here. So they're out of the game. The same thing happened to these guys. They entered the market there, put their stop loss up here, entered it for it to go down. It didn't go down. It switched and took them out with this candle. These guys have been taken out with this candle, this large candle. These guys here have been taken out with this large candle as well. Now they're gunning for these guys as well. We knew they were coming for these people. We knew that they were coming for these people. But the way they've done it, is very, very trickish. Can you see what's happened? All of this activity, all of these soldiers have been taken out with this one candle. And this candle is maybe 20 minutes old. It's not even anything more than that. 4 or 5 minute candles to it. Really quickly, they took everyone's stop. We knew they were coming for it, but we didn't know they would be so ferocious with it. Now, look, look what it's taking these guys out now. These guys are gone as well now. They're gone. So all of these people are getting taken out of the market. All of them. They're going for these guys next and these guys. That's the real prize up there. I don't know if they're going to go all the way up there, but they've just taken out about 4 people out in this one candle. So this is it. Luckily, we benefited from this candle earlier. We took 47 points out of that candle and left. Just looking at the 5 minute chart, you can see how quickly they turned on you. It was selling off. Everything was selling off. It was all going well. And then 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle, you're out. That's 3 candles they done that in. They done it in 3 candles. And this one's just the last one we're seeing now. So all of those boys were taken out in 3 candles. Before they can even move their stops, they were taken out of the game. And that's the quickness of it. You have to be sharp with it. Once the move moves, you have to be there. If you're not there, you will miss it. Because 15 minutes, 50 points. Game's really, really sharp. You've got to be sharp on this. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you so you know what we're up against and you know what to do.